Hi, today I will talk about product and brand management, the most important aspect of the 4Ps in marketing. What is a product? Okay, we all think that we know what is a product is, but a product is something that is offered for attention, acquisition, use, or consumption that might satisfy a want or a need. Products are, when we broadly defined, they can be a goods, services, organization, people, places, events, ideas, or a mix of these. To differentiate the products, marketers create and manage customer experiences with their brands and the company. And experiences represent what buying the service or product will do for the consumer. The different types of products are, we can say, tangible or intangible products. We say goods or services. So when we say goods, these are the products that we possess, okay, that we have, that we own. On the other hand, services are the type of products which we cannot have. It can be a form of activity, an experience, or benefit, or satisfaction, and that do not result in the ownership of anything. Okay, we are just left with the experiences. Products can be pure tangible or pure intangible, or they can be a mixture of both. However, in the service dominant logic of our time, marketers tend to think that every company is a service company. Whether they sell products or not, whatever they do is a service. So the brands, the companies should be based on as a service company. Let's look at the different levels of a product. At the core level, we define it as a core product, which means that it provides the benefits that's for the consumer. For example, let's take a mobile phone. Okay, a mobile phone provides freedom, mobility, connectivity, so we can talk to other people. So this is the core product. When we say it's an Apple iPhone 5 or iPhone 6 or whatever it is, then it's an actual product. Okay, we use it with the brand name, with the actual product. And at the augmented level, we add the warranty, the services, the delivery, the support website, or other products which is not intrinsic, inherent with the actual product, but which are add-ons and can be offered as a bundle solution or as an add-on solution. Then we call it as the augmented product. Sometimes you see that on eBay, for example, when you would like to buy a product, you will see two different prices for a packaged product, for a packaged iPhone or unpacked iPhone. So these two will obviously have different prices. Let's look at the different product classifications. The first type of product is the convenience products. These products are the ones which consumers buy frequently, immediately, with a minimum comparison and with a minimum buying effort. These can be products like newspapers, candy, or hamburgers. The second type of product are shopping products. So shopping products are the products we compare for suitability, quality, price, affordability, and other attributes. Okay, these can be products like furniture, cars, or home appliances. Other types of product are specialty products. The specialty products are like when we look for a specific brand, specific feature, so when we consume more time looking for the product. So this can be like a medical services, like insurance, or a doctor, or designer clothes, or high-tech products. Another type of product are the unsought products. Unsought products are the products that we do not intend to purchase or we do not tend to think about it. So remember the first lecture when I was talking about the selling concept, I was referring to the unsold products like insurance or funeral services or donations, because normally we do not think about those products until a company, a seller, a person tries to convince us to purchase those products. Okay, just at this point, I would like you to think about if or how these different types of product combine with each other, and think about a purchasing situation that when you go to the supermarket or when you think about, and try to identify your purchase behavior in terms of these different classifications. Okay, we said products can be different stuff. So this is an example to person marketing. This is Rachel Ray. So she has her own TV program, her own magazine, her own products. So she is promoting herself. Another one is place marketing. So you see is the ad which promotes Turkey as a place, as a destination for travel. Another one is social marketing. So we also talked about it in the societal marketing concept. So we can promote ideas, events, or other social causes, and we can use the marketing tactics. So we can improve the well-being of the people and the society. So let's now talk about the product and branding decisions. Okay. So when we talk about that, the first decision is the product attributes. When we say product attributes, we say about the product quality, the features, and the design. Quality has different parts as well as level and consistency. So we can offer products at different product quality levels and at different consistencies. It can be a high product quality or low product quality. It can be consistent at each purchase or not. Or it can be consistent with other products in the same category, in the same offerings of the company. Another one is the product features. Okay, what benefits does this product offer to the customer? And another one is the design. How easy it is, how useful it is. So think about the products that you possess try to think about in terms of these three attributes: quality, features, and design. And try to think about, why did you purchase that iPhone? Why did you purchase that desk? Or why did you purchase that car you own? Think about the reasons which made you purchase that specific product. Another one is the branding decisions. Okay, I'll talk about branding more, but just to say, branding is a contract. Branding is a promise that you will have the same level of satisfaction, same level of experience each time you purchase that specific product or service. So a brand is a promise to give you satisfaction at the desired and offered level. And a good brand has connections, has relationships with its customers. Another one is packaging. Okay, the good products have really nice designed packaging to communicate with the users. Think about also the products when you purchase with a nice packaging, nicely well thought packaging. It's also a way of communicating the brand's, the product's attributes to the customer. Another one is labeling. Labeling is the slogan, is the name or the ingredients or the other information which exists on the product packaging. Okay, it can tell you the benefits of the product, or it can tell you the requirements or legal information about the product. So it has all the information. But for the brand managers, brand marketers, I mean, they know that the value of the labeling, and they design well with their marketing agencies in order to provide a consistent brand image for their target consumers. And finally, the last decision for the product and branding is the support services. So it's the part of augmented product, and how are you going to maintain consistency with your product, maintain the experience with your product with the customer? What is the warranty terms? How they communicate, how they continue the level of support. So some companies like HP, for example, they provide a support service, and they sometimes sell this as a separate product. Now, I'd like to talk about product line and product mix. The example that you see is from Procter & Gamble, the largest FMCG company in the world. And you see different categories in their products. I mean, this is not a comprehensive list, just an example list. And you see they have the category of laundry, oral care, hair care, fem care, beauty care, baby care. These are the names that they give to their categories, and each category is named as a product line in marketing terminology. Okay. Each category is a product line. And when we look at all different product lines, we call it as product mix width. Okay, it is called product mix width. And the whole table, we call the whole table as the product mix. So it's the combination of all different product lines, and it's called the product mix. When we look at a single product line, and when we look at the different types of products, we call it a product line depth. Okay, this is the different types of products in a single product line. And when we look at a specific product line, the total number of products in a single product line is called the product line length. Okay, so these are the basic terminology for the product line and product mix of a company. So there are also other strategies for the companies in order to compete with other companies in the same product category. In this case, we can say a company might fill a product line, which means adding more items to the present range of product line. Another one is product line stretching. It can be upward stretching or downward stretching. So as in the case of P&G, for example, I can say for the baby care category, they provide Pampers, but in order to compete with the lower end of the customers, they offer a new product called Sleep and Play, which is not a premium product, but which is a low-cost product. So this is called a downward product line stretching. When we talk about brand strategy, a brand comprises of product attributes, product benefits, and product beliefs and values. Okay, a company, a product, a brand offers those three items. We talked about attributes and benefits before. Let me say a few words about beliefs and values, which seems to be more important in recent times. For example, because of the societal marketing concept, now many brands are trying to offer products which are recyclable, which are sustainable, which prevents the environment. So we can say that the brand value is protecting the environment. Okay, so this is just one example. Okay, just think about those items for the brands that you love to interact, that you love to relate, and you will find more. And let's start a discussion topic on that one and try to see how the preferences change for different people. This is this is a list, an excerpt from a list from the 100 most valuable brands in the world. From brands, as you can see, the most valuable brand in the world is Apple, followed by Google, Microsoft, IBM. As you might notice, I mean, they are all technology companies, and you will see others as well. Facebook, Amazon, and other technology companies, internet companies are also in the list. Whereas Coca-Cola, McDonald's, and such companies used to be on top of this list some years ago. A good name for a brand suggests benefits. It's easy to say, spell, read. It's distinctive, distinguishable. It's extendable, like Amazon, where it used to start as a bookstore, but now it sells everything. But the name, I mean, does not interact with any category. It works worldwide. Try to think about a brand name which can work in every country. So try to think about different language barriers. And it can be legally protected in terms of trademark, patents, or domain names for your website. So whenever you announce your brand name, just look at the previous names and try to protect your brand name before you announce it. Now let me talk a little bit more about the visual elements. The picture shows a cheese category from a supermarket in Turkey. So you see that there are different cheese brand names, and what distinguishes all those brand names is their color. Okay? Each color has a separate meaning, and this is true for different categories and different brands as well. So I can say red color stimulates the appetite, love, passion, excitement. The blue color, most preferred by men, it implies productiveness and curbs appetite. Green color, it means tranquility and health, money, nature, fertility. Brown color, reliability, boredom, practicality, earth. White, purity, innocence, empty, spacious. Black, evil, death, mourning, slimming. Yellow color, bright, gives you energy, been shown to make babies cry. It causes eye fatigue. Orange color, makes you excited, gives you enthusiasm, warmth, and caution. Lavender, it calms the nerves, it gives you relaxation. Purple color, it reminds you royalty, wealth, success, wisdom. Pink, it's a girly color, it's calming and warm. You can look at this color emotion guide and you can see other brands in this color emotion guide and think about the colors for different products and brands. Finally, I would like to talk about how to use this branding strategy with our product category. So this is a 2x2 matrix. In the spot matrix, in the x-axis, you see product category. It can be either an existing category or a new category. And in the y-axis, you see a new brand name or an existing brand name. So if you offer an existing brand name for an existing product category, this is what we call a line extension. For example, when P&G introduces new varieties to one product line, let's say shampoo to hair care category, let's say in the hair care, we can say for the Pantene products, if they add a new variety, a new size, or a new shampoo which prevents hair loss, for example, a new benefit, then it's called a line extension because it is still the Pantene brand and it is still for an existing category. When it is for an existing category, but when it is a new brand, then it is called a multi-brand strategy. So you saw the different brands for that hair care category. So there is Pantene, Rejoice Herbal Essences, Head and Shoulders, different stuff. And when P&G introduces each brand in the same category, it's called a multi-brand strategy. Another one is brand extension. When the same brand name is extended to a new product category, then it is called a brand extension. For example, Siemens, it has different types of product category, but it uses the same brand name for different types of businesses and different types of products. So this is called a brand extension. And the last one is the new brands strategy. In this case, the company creates new brands each time it introduces new categories. Again, I can give the FMCG companies like P&G applying this new brand strategy. When they introduce new products to new categories, they apply new brand strategy. Instead of offering a previous brand or instead of offering the umbrella brand of the company, each time they introduce a new brand.